Hello, Fazbear employee, and welcome back to the Fazbear rebranding tape. Today you will be learning how to dismantle animatronic from the toy line animatronics, as we don't need them for the next phase of our establishment. Let's begin with our first toy line animatronic, Bonnie. The process is very simple. Simply take off the head first, then the arms and legs, and finally slip off the torso. Good job, now you could throw it out properly. Next is Toyline Animatronic Chica. First remove the head, then the arms and legs, and finally slip off the torso. Well done, now you could properly salvage it. The next animatronic will be difficult, so you are going to need some cleaning supplies and a wrench to do the next task. Let's take apart toy animatronic version Foxy. Whoa, that's a lot of blood. Now, make sure you get the cleaning supplies and make sure you spray it all over her and make sure you get every single spot. None of anything can be seen on this animatronic. Bye. Bye. Bye.